Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today is February 23rd, Monday, 7:34 p.m. Just a quick recap of what happened today and what I'm looking for the rest of the week. Starting off with NQ, I mean, on the daily, we did get some of that bearishness we were looking for. It hasn't been deep enough, like lower, but I'm sure that's to come, which we'll talk more about in a bit. But yeah, for today, I did take a trade actually, and um, essentially what we have here is the week opening gap inside of that daily FVG, and I'll open up MNQ in a bit, but I had this FVG I tried to short off of right here, I believe. Yeah, and then I got stopped out, and then I entered back here um, after the rejection, and I rode to a little 2R with there was SMT here as well. So if I pull up MNQ for the, do I not? Oh yeah, I do on the 15. Yeah. So here stopped out, and then here rode it till 2. And it was a pretty good trade. I'm happy it worked out. If you don't know, part of my model is trying to understand what time to take that trade, and I'm having a really hard time doing that. So I've kind of compromised by if it's before 9:30 a.m., I will enter with half risk, and then once it actually hits 9:30, I will enter with full risk. So that's what happened today, and then I was able to come out winning. Um, I mean, other than that, we ended up moving lower 200 points, but I was happy with my 2R taking the win, regaining our losses. Yeah, we took the slow and then we went back into the range. Now looking for tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if we continue that move lower, down to here, down to here, down to here. Um, yeah, looking at dollar. Dollar was, you know, we we took that high out and then we started trending bearish, and then today we wicked down into here and found support back up. So it looks like we want to respect and that we want to continue higher from here. So that aligns with bearish NQ. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking to see if we want to continue higher after retracement into discount. Now we can possibly go for back up to these highs right here one more time, and then this, the order block and such. So let's fix that. Looking at ZB, again, ZB swept that high, and it moved into this order block right here, and from there we moved lower, and we were expecting that lower pricing, but Monday was different and it was decoupled, so it actually was bullish. Um, so yeah, I mean, we're back to that decoupled market, I guess. We'll see what happens, what continues to happen, what we want to do, but for now, I don't think it makes sense for us to want to move back up here to move lower. So I do like this high back up here, this high. I like higher on ZB, which again is decoupled with NQ. So keep that low probability condition filter on and make sure you're still taking your 1-to-1, getting out until conditions get better. Sorry. Hope you found this insightful. Take care. Be safe.